Hello, parents and students. Today I'm going to talk to you about how you can sign in to your MES PE YouTube page because some of you had several questions about it. First of all, you need to go to your Clever page and sign in. When you find your Clever page, you'll see Coach Wallace's page on there. Click on Coach Wallace's page, and when you do, you'll see things like GoNoodle, Netflix, and responses and quizzes. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and you will see the MES YouTube page right here. There it is again, the MES YouTube page. Click on that link right here and it will take you to our Millington Elementary Physical Education YouTube page. Over on the right hand corner is the word subscribe. Click that red button and you'll subscribe to our page and you'll get notifications from the latest YouTube videos uploaded to the Millington Elementary Physical Education YouTube page. Many of you may be prompted to sign in, especially if you've never used your email address. So you will sign in right here. Now, some of you are confused because you think that you have to have a Gmail account. You really don't. All you have to do is use your regular mmsdstudent.org email account. So it's usually the first letter of your name, your last name, at mmsdstudent.org. So simply use that to sign in. After you sign in, click Next. This will take you to your password page. You should have a password that's given to you by your teacher. Your teacher gave you an email address and also gave you a password. You type your password in right here. You can see I have it highlighted. Simply type the password that you were given in this space and then click Next. After you've clicked Next, you should be taken straight to our Millington Elementary School Physical Education page and you should have been subscribed. Now remember, your page is not going to look exactly like this because the page is changing all the time. So what you want to do is you want to click Videos. You'll see the section that says Home, Videos, Playlists, Channels, Discussions, About. Click on where it says Videos and all the uploaded videos will be on that page. If you have any problem signing in, maybe you don't know your school email address or your password, you need to contact your homeroom teacher and make sure she gives you another sheet that contains your email address and your password. Also, if you still have trouble, then contact me directly through the Remind app, through Seesaw, or by emailing me directly at dwallicemillingtonschools.org. Thank you.